स्वामी महाराजनी जय। जुग जुग जीवो सो जोगिया, जुग जुग जीवो सो जोगिया। जेना अंतरे अखंड विनाश, ब्रह्म भावे भक्ति करे, अवरन काईयाश। ब्रह्म भावे भक्ति करे, अवरन काईयाश। गुण गावा गोविंदना, गुण गावा गोविंदना। जेने हइये ओशय पार, एवा स्वामी गुणातीतानंदने। वंदन हजारों हजार, एवा स्वामी गुणातीतानंदने। वंदन हजारों हजार।
Sadguru Gunatitanand Swami, the one who always talked about the glory of Bhagwan Sri Swaminarayan, the one who followed every command of Bhagwan Swaminarayan, the one who passionately declared that one should secure moksha at the expense of all other tasks, the one who simplified the scriptures for all to understand, the one who became the pillar and bearer of satsang. Therefore, for us to sing the praises of such a devout sadhu is a matter of honor and pride. He Paramahanso yaha Mukta Munivar Mahajanahite Bodhata Desha Ghumya. He Patita Yudharine Kaink Janatarine सतत हरि चरण ने जचूम्या। एक ये वायुपासक महा जोगिया सतत उपदेशरत श्री जी चरणे। हे कोटि वंदन जो एह भगवंतना। सदगुरु श्री गुणातीत चरणे। सदगुरु श्री गुणातीत चरणे। By the inspiration of our dear Guru Maharaj, Guru Varya Dev Krishna Das Ji Swami, today we will attempt to praise the life of Akshar Murti Sadguru Gunatitanand Swami, a sadhu to whom we should be bowing down to over and over. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the life of Sadguru Gunatitanand Swami. First and foremost, Sadguru Gunatitanand Swami's life could be identified by his constant inclination towards the following four things: First, he was always performing Maharaj's dhyana. Second, he had a strong sense of detachment from both the body and all bodily possessions. Third, he served the ill. And fourth, and most important, he constantly discussed about Bhagavan. Once, in the Darbar of Dada Khachar, Swami asked Shriji Maharaj a question. What amongst these four actions is best? Meditating on Bhagavan's divine image, being detached from the body, serving the ill, or talking about Bhagavan? And after giving the example of Daksha Prajapati and his sons, Shriji Maharaj claimed that talking about Bhagavan was the best thing to do. So from that day onwards, Sadguru Gunatitanand Swami talked constantly about the glory of Bhagavan. Engrossed in Sahajanand Swami, he informed everyone around him of the glory of Shriji Maharaj. He never got tired of talking about the glory of Maharaj. And he used to say, Avya Brahma Mahola Nivasi Re Mukti Namane Veriya Re Lo Mukti Namane Veriya Re Lo He Avya Brahma Mahola Nivasi Re Mukti Namane Sadguru Gunatitanand Swami was born on the holy day of Asosud Punam of Samvat 1841, also known as Sharad Purnima. He was born in a small village called Bhadra to Father Bholanath and Mother Sakarbai. His parents were elated with the welcoming of their son into this world because their Guru Atmanand Swami's predictions had come true that day. Bholanath and Sakarbai's divine son's name was Muriji Sharma. Muriji Sharma was miraculous from a very young age. He could see Maharaj during all of his activities. Once, he said to his mother, "Ma, sing the songs of Janoi, the sacred thread ceremony, because today, Ghanshyam is being given Janoi at his house in Ayodhya." Similarly, there was another such incident which occurred when Muriji's father left to go to Akshardham. Muriji said to his mother, "Ma, today father has left to go to Akshardham, and the Lord of Akshardham has left his home for the forest. Because on that very same day, Ghanshyam Maharaj left his home to start on his spiritual endeavor." Muriji used to tell his mother every day that, "Ma, my Lord will definitely come to us one day, and he will eat the meals prepared by your hands." And even though Muriji, who was thousands of miles away from his dear Ghanshyam, was always with him. And that's why it is said,
होय जीवन मुक्त कहावत जोई, होय जीवन मुक्त कहावत जोई, दिव्य नयन देखत हरि रोई,
नयन देखत हरि प्रोई।
चौदिश चैतन्य तेज रहावे, चौदिश चैतन्य तेज रहावे, सोई विज्ञानी संतक आवे,
सोई विज्ञानी संत कहावे।
पिंड ब्रह्मांड सत्य नहीं जाने, पिंड ब्रह्मांड सत्य नहीं जाने, माया कृत सब मिथ्या माने,
माया कृत सब मिथ्या माने।
ओ प्रेम मगन होई हरि गुण गावे, प्रेम मगन होई हरि गुण गावे, सोई विज्ञानी संत कहावे, सोई विज्ञानी संत कहावे, सोई विज्ञानी संत कहावे।
Muriji used to tell his mother that he wanted to become a sadhu and that he longed to be with Maharaj. And then finally, on Kartik Sud Punam in Vikram Samvat 1865, Shiji Maharaj gave divine darshan to Muriji, and Shiji Maharaj asked him as if he was giving a hint, "What is your purpose? And what are you doing? What happened to your spirit?" And with only these few words, Muriji understood what his dear Sri Hari was trying to say. He replied, "Maharaj, I was just waiting for your command." And at that very moment, Muriji Sharma left everything and headed towards Gadhra, feeling elated to have Shiji Maharaj's darshan. When Murtiji Sharma arrived at Dada Khacher's darbar, Shiji Maharaj, as if he was reading Murtiji Sharma's mind, said, "Come, Murtiji, you've come to become a sadhu, haven't you?" Murtiji Sharma folded his hands and said, "Yes, Maharaj. I want to become a sadhu and I want to serve you." Maharaj was overjoyed with Murtiji's words, but first, he tested Murtiji Sharma by asking him to burn down his house and all of his belongings as a condition to becoming a sadhu. Murtiji left just to do that, but upon Muktanand Swami's word, Maharaj called him back and told Murtiji that his lack of hesitation to follow such a command showed that he was completely detached from his house and hence ready to become a sadhu. Murtiji Sharma was given Diksha or initiated as a sadhu on Vikram Samvat 1866, Posh Sud Punam, during the yagna which Shiji Maharaj organized in Dabhan. Shiji Maharaj gave him the name Gunatitanand Swami because all the qualities of a sadhu that are mentioned in the scriptures were easily seen in Gunatitanand Swami. And just like how we do not have to try to remember that we are humans, Swami always remembered Maharaj. There was no dedication that was impossible for Gunatitanand Swami. Hence, Sri Hari loves such sadhus. And that's why Premanand Swami says,
"Hey, tethi ghadiye na rahe walo nyara, nyara re, एवा संत हरि ने प्यारा रे." महिमा हरिनो सारी पेठ जाने, मन अभिमान तेनो लेश नयाणे, हे हारे रहे ब्रह्म स्वरूप मतवाला, वाला रे, एवा संत हरि ने प्यारा रे। नाना रे मोटा भजे जे हरि ने, मन कर्म वचने दृढ़ करीने, हारे देने पोताना करता जाने सारा, सारा रे, एवा संत हरि ने प्यारा रे। एवा ते संत ने वसिए रे पासे, जन्म मरण नो संभवना से, हारे वर्षे अखंड ते ब्रह्म रस धारा, धारा रे, एवा संत हरि ने प्यारा वारे संतने सेवे जे प्राणी प्रेम प्रतीति उरे मारे आणी आरे प्रेम सखी के उतारे भव पारा रे एवा संत हरि ने प्यारा रे एवा संत हरि ने प्यारा रे एवा संत हरि ने प्यारा रे.
Once, while in Satsang Vicharan, Gunatitanand Swami went with Muktanand Swami to a village. At night, the sadhu slept on bare ground, which was littered with pebbles underneath. And because Gunatitanand Swami was newly initiated and not used to this custom, he couldn't sleep, which came to the notice of Muktanand Swami. Muktanand Swami then offered a small mat to use. Gunatitanand Swami then immediately thought to himself, if an elderly sant like Muktanand Swami can sleep on the ground, why can't I? And after that incident, Gunatitanand Swami worked on his body and made it so tolerant that if he walked barefoot on thorns, the thorns would break, but the thorns would not be able to pierce his body. This was the way that Gunatitanand Swami taught. Once, Shiji Maharaj organized Fuldol Utsav in Panchada. Many Santo and Haribhakts gathered there. And at that time, Shri Hari did tilak on Gunatitanand Swami's forehead and said, from now on, all my followers should do the tilak this way. Once, while serving prasad to sadhus, Shiji Maharaj said that there is no other god like me, nor a sadhu like Gunatitanand Swami. Thus, Shri Hari showed deep affection towards Swami. Bhagwan's feelings for his dear sadhus are captured by Sadguru Muktanand Swami's words.
नारद ऐसे संत सदा मोए प्यारा नारद ऐसे संत सदा मोए प्यारा जड़ चेतन को जानी जता रत रहत जगत से न्यारा जड़ चेतन जानी जता रत रहत जगत से न्यारा नारद ऐसे संत सदा मोए प्यारा नारद ऐसे संत सदा मोए प्यारा नान वैराग्य भक्ति के बाजन जानत सारय सारा ज्ञान वैराग्य भक्ति के भाजन जानत सारय सारा ब्रह्म भुवन लगी काल जबीना ब्रह्म भुवन लगी काल जबीना मानत झूठ पसारा नारद ऐसे संत सदा मोए प्यारा नारद मम गुण मगन उदारा सब पर मोय जनियुर धारत सब पर मोय जनियुर धारत मम पद प्रेमय पारा नारद ऐसे संत सदा मोए प्यारा नारद ऐसे संत सदा मोए प्यारा मम गुण श्रवण मनन युर मेरो मम जस करत उचारा मम गुण श्रवण मनन युर मेरो मम जस करत उचारा मुक्तानंद कहत यु मोहन मुक्तानंद कहत यु मोहन देयुरवास हमारा नारद ऐसे संत सदा मोए प्यारा नारद ऐसे संत सदा मोए प्यारा नारद ऐसे संत सदा मोए प्यारा।
Gunatitanand Swami also sincerely wished that all devotees form a strong Swami Sevak or master-servant relationship with Sriji Maharaj. And that is why in his discourses, which we all know as Swami Nivato, he insists on the importance of satsang, glory of Maharaj, and the remembrance of Maharaj, thus ensuring that a disciple's upasana is strong. Sadhus from both Vartal and Ahmedabad Desh used to go to Junagadh for Swami satsang. Even Acharya Sri Raghuveerji Maharaj would go to Junagadh for Swami satsang annually. Swami had a passion of realizing Maharaj's mission, and his own attachment to Maharaj was so strong that Maharaj equally reciprocated that love. Once, Sriji Maharaj was sleeping peacefully and suddenly woke up. A sevak sitting to the side asked for the reason. Sriji Maharaj replied, Gunatitanand Swami, who is going to Vantali from Junagadh, got hurt on his foot while walking. And Gunatitanand Swami remembered me, hence I responded. Such was the bond between Swami and Sevak. And that is why Premanand Swami has said that the life of Bhagwan and Sadhu are strongly connected.
तोरा मोरा जिए राए करे प्यारे तोरा मोरा जिए राए करे प्यारे तुम जो रहत मोरे जिया में जैसे तुम जो रहत मोरे जिया में जैसे काच में कंचन रे खर प्यारे काच में कंचन रे खर प्यारे तोरा मोरा जिए राए करे प्यारे तोरा मोरा जिए राए करे प्यारे तुम तो प्यारे मोरे जिया के जीवन सब विधि सुखदाये कर प्यारे तुम तो प्यारे मोरे जिया के जीवन सब विधि सुख दाये कर प्यारे तोरा मोरा जिए राए करे प्यारे तोरा मोरा जिए राए करे प्यारे तुम मेरे स्वामी में चेरी चरण की तुम मेरे स्वामी में चेरी चरण की यही अचल मेरी टेकर प्यारे यही अचल मेरी टेकर प्यारे तोरा मोरा जिए राए करे प्यारे तोरा मोरा जिए राए करे प्यारे प्रेमानंद के नाथ चरण दे दूर न रहूंगी मैंने कर प्यारे दूर न रहूंगी मैंने कर प्यारे प्रेमानंद के नाथ चरण दे प्रेमानंद के नाथ चरण दे दूर न रहूंगी मैंने कर प्यारे दूर न रहूंगी मैंने कर प्यारे तोरा मोरा जिए राए करे प्यारे तोरा मोरा जिए राए करे प्यारे तोरा मोरा जिए राए करे प्यारे
Gunatitanand Swami was once with Muktanand Swami's mandal in Surat. But Gunatitanand Swami had an intense desire for Maharaj's darshan, since he had not seen Maharaj in a very long time. About the same time, a devotee wanted to take pickled mangoes to Maharaj and was looking for someone to take the mangoes to Gadhra. When Swami came to know about this, he immediately made preparations to go to Gadhra. And even though Surat and Gadhra are so far apart, Gunatitanand Swami's devotion to Maharaj was so strong that distance did not matter. He started walking at a very fast pace to see Maharaj and embrace him. Gunatitanand Swami's profound love for Maharaj can be seen on numerous occasions. In the Vikram Samvat year 1869, a severe drought hit Gujarat. During this time, Shiji Maharaj would isolate himself and would not come out of his residence within Gadhra. He would only interact with a handful of devotees and sadhus. In Gadhra, one of the rooms was called Kutch, while another was called Kathiawar, both of which are names of regions within Gujarat. At that time, whoever came for darshan would ask Naja Jogia about the whereabouts of Maharaj. And Naja Jogia would answer that Maharaj is either in Kutch or in Kathiawar right now. Naja Jogia told Gunatitanand Swami that Maharaj was in Kutch. So Gunatitanand Swami started running towards Kutch. Maharaj knew that Swami would run towards Kutch just to have his darshans. So he himself went to Gunatitanand Swami to embrace him. Swami's heart was so full of joy, and he said, Maharaj, you're the only one that I live for.
मेरे तो तुम जीवन बाल मुकुंदा जीवन बाल मुकुंदा मेरे तो तुम जीवन बाल मुकुंदा बिन देखे मोये कल न परत है, बिन देखे मोये कल न परत है, बिन देखे मोये कल न परत है, बिन देखे मोये गल न परत है, जो चकोरी बिनु चंदा, जो चकोरी बिनु चंदा, जीवन बाल मुकुंदा, मेरे तो तुम जीवन बाल मुकुंदा। एही कारण रहो नैनो के आगे, एही कारण रहो नैनो के आगे, हो एही कारण रहो नैनो के आगे, एही कारण रहो नैनो के आगे, नटवर नंद जी के नंदा, नटवर नंद जी के नंदा, जीवन बाल मुकुंदा, मेरे तो तुम जीवन बाल मुकुंदा। करुणाद गण करी मोये विलोको, 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 मैं तन भव दुख फंदा, मैं तन भव दुख फंदा, जीवन बाल मुकुंदा, मेरे तो तुम जीवन बाल मुकुंदा। मुक्तानंद कहे नेह निभावन, ओ मुक्तानंद कहे नेह निभावन, मुक्तानंद कहे मुक्तानंद कहे नेह निभावन, मुक्तानंद कहे नेह निभावन, पिया प्रीतम सुख कंदा, पिया प्रीतम सुख कंदा, जीवन बाल मुकुंदा, मेरे तो तुम जीवन बाल मुकुंदा, मेरे तो तुम जीवन बाल मुकुंदा। मेरे तो तुम जीवन बाल मुकुंदा.
There were so many incidents in Gunatitanand Swami's life which showed his strong bond with Maharaj. Once, Shiji Maharaj gathered all the sadhus and asked them to witness each other's observance of the Panchvartman. All the sadhus decided to witness each other and found their partners. Gunatitanand Swami arrived right after, and Brahmanand Swami asked, "Who will be the witness for Gunatitanand Swami?" Sri Hari quickly responded, "That I myself am Swami's witness." It is no wonder that Swami's disciples would be highly capable and effective in forwarding Maharaj's mission. And we are extremely fortunate to be part of that lineage of Aksharmurti Gunatitanand Swami, Sadguru Balmukundas Ji Swami, Sadguru Dharmaswarup Das Ji Swami, Sadguru Purani Gopinath Das Ji Swami, Gurudev Shastri Ji Maharaj Shri Dharmajivan Das Ji Swami, and presently Guru Varya Shri Dev Krishna Das Ji Swami. Gunatitanand Swami's Shishya, Sadguru Balmukundas Ji Swami, exhibited godlike qualities. He could even send someone to Akshardham when they wished. And it's said that Sadguru Dharmaswarup Das Ji Swami was the incarnation of Dharma Raja himself, and he was known for his humility as well as his simplicity. Purani Gopinath Das Ji Swami subdued the doubts raised against the Swaminarayan faith. And what can we say about Gurudev Shastri Ji Maharaj? Had he not founded this Gurukul Institute, people like us would not have satsang, and we would not have seen true saints. Finally, our present Guru, Guru Varya Dev Krishna Das Ji Swami. He is an embodiment of Vairagya and a bearer of this Gunatit tradition. We bow down to Gunatitanand Swami, the one who taught us Upasana, the one who guided us even more than a mother would a child, and the one who gave us this Pavitra Gunatit tradition.
Mahadhyanabhyasam vidadhatamajastram bhagavata pavitre sampraptam sthitimatī varekantikavruṣe sadanandam saram paramaharivartavyasaninam gunatitanandam munivaramaham nomi satatam gunatitanandam munivaramaham nomi satatam. सहजानंद स्वामी महाराज की